Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sokuneyindaba engiyizwile about umdlali weOrlando Pirates okuKabelo Dlamini. Niyamazi bafethu uKabelo Dlamini umjida usathanda kusayina i-deal enje weOrlando Pirates. Usakude kakhulu ukuthi ahambe kuOrlando Pirates. But kuneyindaba engiyizwile kuthiwa kungenzeka ayishiye Orlando Pirates and ulinked with iKaizer Chiefs. Angifuni ukuyibelieve lezo indaba because usama rumors. The reason why I'm doing this video ngifuna ukubona as ama fans ukuthi how do you feel about le indaba lezi? Do you think we should let go of uKabelo Dlamini judging by the players esinabo currently? Because on that number 10 position sinosipho Mbule, sibe nobani, sibe noTito Maswanganye, naye ubuya adlala uKabelo Dlamini as number 10. But ke basically umjidi ubuya adlala as number 8. Masubheka number 8 kunomnentajela with uTalente Mbatha. Do you think it's a wise decision to let go of uKabelo Dlamini? But ke uthi joining Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think it's a good idea. Joining the Kaizer Chiefs is not a good idea because look at the Kaizer Chiefs currently. Kaizer Chiefs inoKabelo Dlamini, inomduduzi Shabalala, Mabowe. I remember uMabowe bamsayinile umjida on a free transfer uyeza na uMabowe. So by him joining Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think umjida bafethu kumele aze aye, and I don't think kumele ayishi Orlando Pirates kuthi usathana kusayina i-deal enje. Umjida uyakwazi usadlale, akwazi ukuthi asinikeze izinto, yabo. The thing is of labadlali laba basuka kwiPirates bejoin iKaizer Chiefs, like sebeyibulalile culture, ayisekho leyo culture leyo. I know kudala babekhona vele babesuka ngala beyele, but it doesn't feel like a rivalry anymore, yabo. It doesn't feel like the last time we saw into kanje kwakukhona uMajoro, yabo. The last time, I think it was 10 years ago, sibona uMajoro a move from iKaizer Chiefs Orlando Pirates, yabo. And kwakuyinto nje enkulu leyo. So manje nje sesibabona laba oPaseka Mako noMonyane sebeshintsha kanje. Akusiyona into emnandi sijabulelayo, yabo. Akusiyona into emnandi, and seeing a player like uKabelo Dlamini, this is a big player. It's not any typical player. It's not uBongani Sam. It's not uBongani Sam. No, it's not your Bongani Sam. This is Kabelo Dlamini. So what is your take regarding this matter? Do you think umjida kumele ayijoin iKaizer Chiefs or kumele nje ahlale kuOrlando Pirates aqhubeke? Mina for me, I think umjida kumele ahlale relax nje, angawalaleli ama rumors, angalaleli lutho nje, yabo. Abantu abayeke nje le conversation yaKabelo Dlamini going to iKaizer Chiefs. We must keep this conversation down. The player must focus kuOrlando Pirates, angalaleli into eningi, because meqhubeka laleli into eningi lezinto lezi ngeze imhambele kahle, yabo. Uzoloke ecabanga ke manje ukuthi okay, what if I join iKaizer Chiefs? What if they offer me a better contract than Orlando Pirates, yabo? So angiyithandi ke leyo nto mina. So you can tell me in the comments, how do you feel about this situation?